So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. She has a really pretty ginger copper hair color. Stylist sections off the hair. And it looks like he is doing a layered haircut with bangs. Oh, gorgeous shaggy butterfly style. Wow. I absolutely love this and the fact that it combines two hot trends in one, the shaggy haircut as well as the layered butterfly look. Absolutely stunning transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some amazing hair transformations. Here we have a bob haircut. Oh, wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a longer lob style. Ends just below the shoulder. So much volume and body within that cut. And then we have something called a super shag. She's also rocking beautiful ginger colored hair. Now my guess is that with this particular hairstyle, this super shag, it's gonna look similar to that first hairstyle that we saw. And the stylist is simply doing a diffuser, really creating a lot of texture with this style. Oh, this is gorgeous. Loving the cut and the color combination. So yeah, this doesn't look like the first butterfly shaggy look that we saw, but it definitely has its own type of rocker chic vibe. Lots of messy texture to it. This is gorgeous. So we have a nice pixie bob style here, lots of volume in the crown. Oh, wow, love how this enhances her cheekbones, so pretty. The stylist is adding some color to this bob. This is like a really nice French girl style bob. Beautiful bangs enhanced in the front. Nice tassel texture. So pretty. Just gorgeous. And then we see a pixie style. This one has a beautiful color combination of blonde, chocolate, and black hues. Nice play on the asymmetrical pixie style shape. And we have another hair transformation. Oh, beautiful platinum hair. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have a pixie haircut. Beautiful pixie style with an undercut. Oh, very nice. He ended up doing more like a traditional mushroom style. Bangs in the front. And we have a classy bob transformation. Beautiful all black hue. This one comes to just around her jawline. Oh, wow, look at this blonde pixie. Whoa. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is kind of like a pixie mullet. It does have a little bit of longer hair in the back. Absolutely stunning transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.